So it was a rough day for Sam Bankman-Fried, Brian. In terms of getting him back to the U.S. for trial, not much is expected to happen on that front until February 8th, which is the date of his next hearing in the Bahamas. And even then, it's unclear whether Bankman-Fried will be headed stateside because even though the U.S. and the Bahamas have this extradition treaty, the process has numerous appeals built into it. So unless Bankman-Fried agrees to be extradited, essentially waiving his rights here, which his lawyers say he is not going to do, then it could be a while until the ex-CEO of FTX is back on U.S. soil. One legal expert tells me he could put this off for months, if not years. He also has his parents, both Stanford law professors, literally by his side through this. They were physically there in the courtroom yesterday, apparently pretty animated at times. And then all this was happening on the same day that the Justice Department unsealed its 8-count indictment against him, not to mention the civil filings, including conspiracy to commit wire fraud on customers and lenders, money laundering, and violations of campaign finance laws. So, you've got both the Securities and Exchange Commission and the agency that regulates virtual currencies, the CFTC, filing charges as well. So definitely not the best day for SBF, Brian.
Yeah, and it's not been the best year, certainly for his investors. All right, what is next for this fraud case? Is there anybody else that may get caught in the crosshairs? And I'm looking at you, Caroline Ellison.
Right. So when federal prosecutors from the Southern District of New York outlined their criminal case against Bankman-Fried on Tuesday, they made it clear their pursuit of other potentially involved parties linked to the FTX collapse is not over. When asked if authorities will charge other individuals, the U.S. attorney for the Southern District, Damian Williams, told a press conference, "We're not done." And remember that Bankman-Fried was charged with several conspiracy counts, a charge that is a bit hard to justify if he was working alone. And, it's been a big team effort here between the SEC, the CFTC, the DOJ, and the FBI. But it's really SDNY that's in the driver's seat because they have the access and the ability to use the grand jury. And that's key because it gives them the chance to hold proceedings secretly. So I am hearing that ongoing pieces of the investigation will remain outside the public's view. Former prosecutors also tell me that there's likely some sort of cooperation with former FTX employees happening now, which is why things have been moving along so quickly.
Yeah, a bit hard to conspire with yourself. I'm just saying, if they have conspiracy, that means you did it. Yes, I did. Good for you. So anyway, there's other people they're clearly looking at. All right. It is another day of congressional testimony. We get to hear how little most members of Congress know about crypto. But that aside, what else are we looking at later today, McKenzie?
Right. So today it's the Senate's turn to investigate the implosion of FTX and the knock-on effects for the consumer. The Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs meets at 10 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to hear from a few professors and the actor and author Ben McKenzie. He's also on the witness list. This comes one day after the House Financial Services Committee spent 4 hours grilling John Ray, the new CEO of FTX. He described a scandal worse than what he saw at Enron when it collapsed 20 years ago.
There was no corporate controls, no corporate oversight, no independent board. And the owners of the business, the senior management had, virtual control of the accounts of each of the silos and could move money or assets as they desired, undetected by customers. To the extent there were rules, and there were very few, obviously they were made to be broken.
So Ray also pointed to the fact that this crime really didn't have much to do with crypto at the end of the day. He said it was an example of embezzlement, among other things. So we're going to be monitoring that hearing today, Brian, see if we get new information from some of those witnesses.